Hello, good morning my dear students. This is Sonia Kaushik and today I am going to show some phyllotaxy as we have done in plant morphology, and it will be easy for you to understand the phyllotaxy more easily. So let's coming with the type of venation and type of leaf patterns. Alright, so this is the alternate. See, you can see the leaves are starting from, they are not in opposite direction. One leaf is here and other is here. So this is alternate leaf pattern. Alright, this is alternate leaf pattern, and you can see the venation. This is parallel venation. So you can say that this is a monocot plant. Alright, this is a monocot plant and a type of phyllotaxy that is alternate. Alright, chaliye next we will come to this type of pattern. Again a plant of marigold. It also have alternate leaf pattern. Alternate, देखिए आगे पीछे है leaves, तो this will be alternate. Now coming to the opposite leaves, you can see here in this plant, in this also, this is having a mango plant. Again the leaves are alternate. No, this have opposite phyllotaxy. You can see one leaf is starting here and other leaf is starting from here, so it have opposite. And venation, you can see the venation is reticulate. This is midrib, these are veins. Alright, coming to rolled pattern. So we have done alternate, then we have done this opposite phyllotaxy, and this is rolled pattern. In Alstonia you can see the leaf of roll on the upper side and again the leaf of rolls in lower side. You can see here. Yes, this will be more clear to you. So this type of phyllotaxy is called rolled one. Alright, so now coming to some more plants. कुछ और plants देखते हैं students. Yes, you can see this plant. This is, yes, you can see this plant. This is China palm, and this is a type of simple leaf. Why it is called simple leaf? As it do not have the, you can say, these incision of the leaf are not touching the midrib. Alright, so this is a type of simple leaf, but the leaflets, these are small leaflets, you can say, and that are not touching the midrib. Now this is again Alstonia, in which rolled leaf pattern you can see. Again now I am coming to the succulent plant. This is bryophyllum leaf. You can see here bryophyllum, and these leaves, if we put that in soil, it helps as a vegetative propagule leaf which originate from here, and the leaves is having a succulent texture and that have more water retention. You can see here also, this is again bryophyllum, and this can use as vegetative propagule. Alright, now coming to the other plant leaf. This is Cycas, a gymnosperm. Yes, this is again Cycas. Students, this leaf, you can see this is a compound leaf, and the middle region is called, this is midrib, and the leaflets are joining the midrib, so this is called compound leaf. ये compound leaf है, ठीक है, और ये छोटी छोटी क्या है, leaf sets है, and ये middle portion को हम rachis कहेंगे इसमें. Alright, so this is all about different types of leaf patterns. Many other you can see. See, this is having alternate type of leaf pattern, and this is a kind of simple leaf. This is again Alstonia. And you can see the rolled leaf pattern here. Alright, you can see a rolled of leaf pattern here and all. Now I am coming to one more leaf. This is a simple leaf. Student. This is a people plant that is related to genus Ficus, and it is a simple leaf, and you can see the venation here. As noise is here, so we will move again to other plants. Yes, all these, this is again touching the midrib, so this will also called as compound leaf. All right, so this is all about today. Goodbye.